Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to Smoky Mountain RC. Getting ready to take up the Freewing F16 90mm, guys. The newest one out. And guys, if y'all seen my video last week, my NX8 went down. I haven't got it fixed yet, but Mr. Tom Miller, the guy that does the paraglider out here that I video sometimes, he donated this to the channel, guys. So this is basically gonna be another maiden flight, because I had to reset it up and do all the stuff. And I'm only using, since it's, you know, we only got 6 channels. You know, I got an 8-channel receiver in it, but only 6-channel radio, so you know you can only do so much. So I unhooked the air brakes and the reverse thrust, guys. So now we have Flaperons. Oh yeah. So guys, we're gonna get this thing in. I got flight mode set on that, so we'll be able to trim to each flight mode. Got telemetry working. So all I had to do is update the radio, guys, and everything started working perfect. So I'm kind of nervous, guys. So anyway, guys, let's get this thing up and get the maiden flight. Or it's not a maiden flight, it's a remaiden, I should say. But if y'all want this jet, like always, there'll be a link in the description, guys. You buy it from there to help the channel. So we'd appreciate it. All right, guys, here we go. Remaiden coming up. And I got safe on the flaps, guys. So you'll get it trimmed out in each flight mode. And I got the flight modes on the flaps with safe, guys. And safe kicks on when I do full flaps. Because, you know, I like to do dark flights, and I use safe sometimes in my dark flights when I'm, you know, especially if I get far away. I think we about got her trimmed though, guys. In this mode. Let's go half throttle. A couple more clicks of up. All right, guys, now we're going to go into landing flaps. Or takeoff flaps, I mean, yeah, I'm sorry. Cool, guys. You still get plenty of roll with the flaps down. Wow. I wasn't expecting that, guys. Killer. And I'm going to stop saying guys so much. I know I've said an awful lot, but I had somebody say, you know, I would have a good video if I wouldn't say guys so much. So, all right, we're going to go do landing flaps. Now we should be in self-leveling. And it is. All right, guys, I'm going to trim it with the gear down. I need to turn my gains up a little bit. I think we got her, guys, other than a little bit of trimming. Alright, guys, now we should be able to ooh, I don't know what that was about, guys, but that was about bad. Woo, that was about bad. That was a little scary, guys. I'm going to go into safe again. Out of safe. Alright, guys, I guess we're going to bring her in for a landing. I think we got her trimmed out right. Alright, guys, takeoff flaps coming in. Perfect, guys. Perfect. And guys, I don't have reverse thrust, so that's the only thing. Landing flaps coming in. Awesome, guys. Killer. So yeah, it does slow it down quite a bit using Flaperons, no doubt, guys. You know, once I get my other radio fixed, I can, you know, I'll be able to do air brakes back and safe on a separate channel and all that good stuff, you know. So anyway, guys, it worked. It worked. Killer.
10, 9,
Killer.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Landing flaps.
Oh yeah, guys, there we have it. And as you heard the timer, guys, we went up 3 seconds past, and we have 30.7 volts left, guys. So there we go, you can see it. Yep, guys, 30.7 volts. And I did scoot the CG back this time a little bit. I went all the way back to the, remember I was putting it right here, guys. So I moved it back about an inch. Flying good, guys, flying good. Give you another look at the Flaperons. Oh yeah. Landing flat. Still got plenty of, see, still got plenty of control. So works perfect, guys. So hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Like I said, if you want this, there'll be links in the description. It'll help support the channel. I sure do appreciate it. Until we do it again, safe flying and God bless. Bye.